So me and Ruby are out here looking for mushrooms. We brought our poles just to make a couple casts. Ruby, make sure you always hook it up or reel it up. It's raining, so we may not be able to stay out here long. Lots of people made some bad casts. Don't cast here, Ruby. There's too much wood in the water. Oh. Oh.
Yay, we got our
First bite. What is this? All right. Yeah, you can release it. Here, pinch. Well, hold on. He's spiky right there. Look. Here, pinch his mouth.
Spiky?
Yep, pinch his mouth. Put your thumb in there.
I'm trying.
And pinch him. Let him go. Good job, Roost. We got one. Yep. Yeah, got another one.
Yay!
I guarantee you it's another one of those. Yeah, this one's about the same size. That might be the same fish. You got him, Ruby? Okay. It might be a little bit too slippery for you. That's got to be a white perch, is what that is. Yeah, he's got sharp gills like a perch. That's definitely a white perch.
What?
Definitely a white perch. But Ruby, this rain's gonna make us turn tail and run from our little adventure. I don't mind that. It's the fact that I hear thunder. I can't have you out here fishing in thunder and lightning. Yeah, you can cast straight out.
I think I saw a fish. I think I saw a fish.
Yeah, I got another one. And we got a largie. Oh, what is this? Wait. Is this? Yeah, this is largie. Nice, Ruby. We're catching in the rain. Creek rain time fish. Little largemouth. What do you say, Roost?
Yeah.
Woo. Get back in there, buddy.
Yeah, you're too crazy.
Springtime is easy mode. Easy mode, Ruby. Cast straight out. Okay, watch out. Let me try right here.
I think I'm back.
Got one. Yep. Yep. It's another one of those white perch. Yep. Ooh, they are sharp, these guys.
I know. When it gets spiky.
They are spiky all over. Ah. This guy's gonna spike me. Oh my gosh, I'll never get this guy off. Oh, Ruby, you're hung up again.
He doesn't like me.
No, he doesn't. Okay, he's unhooked. He flung some dirt in my eye. Yeah. Hey, little white perch. Okay, come here. Yep. No, here. Yeah, he's a big one. Don't let him get tangled in the bushes, Ruby. Hold. Oh my goodness. That's the biggest perch of the day that you caught, though. Yeah, these guys are weird.
Yeah. You keep catching them.
Yeah, Ruby. Here. That is the big. Look at that. Here, hold your perch.
Try it.
Oh, pick him up by the mouth. Pick him up by the mouth.
Come here.
Put your thumb in there and pinch hard. Pinch hard. You won't hurt him. Pinch hard, Ruby. Now pick him up. Pick him up. All right, let's let him go. Nice. Good job, Rubes. I swear there's something about how much time you put into fishing. The more time you put in, oh, got one. Got another white perch. Another big one. He came up and grabbed it. There's another big one. These guys have sharp mouths. Their mouths. You got one? All right. All right. We doubled up almost. All right, Rubes.
I got the same thing.
Another white perch. Our white perch moved into this creek, huh? Yeah. Hold on.
Wait, take a picture.
Okay, I got you on camera. You're good. I got you. All right, throw him back. Good job.
Woo!
Catch you another one, girl. Oh, there's a snake. There's a snake over there in the water. See him? Way over there. Slithering across.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. What? What?
Snake.
Oh, yeah, look. Another snake. Ooh, they got snakes out today. There's a snake down here. Beautiful snake. Not venomous.
Non-venomous?
Yeah, but you still don't want to pick him up, though.
They'll bite us.
Yeah, it probably would. How cool is that, Rubes?
Perfect for the video.
Dang, we got Ruby. Today is epic. If we find mushrooms, then we're on fire. Good eye catching that snake.
Pass out.
There's a fish right there surfacing. See him? See him right there? Looks like a bluegill. Yeah, reel it. You're right on him. Reel it right there. You're about to get him. Reel it faster. Ah.
Hey, Dad, how do you know snakes are not poison or
There's lots of different ways to tell. I got one. I always tell by their stubby tails.
oh, they're stubby tails?
Venomous snakes don't have long pointy tails. Woo! Little perch. Hello? No mushrooms yet. We were started to walk down the trail and then we saw some lightning, so we stopped and stayed close to the car. It seems like it's calming down, so we might make our way over there here soon.
And I caught a fish.
And Ruby caught her own fish, so she's very excited. And she saw a snake before it crawled on me. Yeah. Okay, so we're having a really good time. Okay, bye. Oh, got one. Yep, another white perch. Another white perch. Just fighting in the water. Just swing him up here. Another little guy. He's about to gill me. You gotta like grab their gills. Otherwise they're gonna slice you open. All right, Ruby, we're really getting a quantity here. Oh yeah, I bet you that you're right. Yep, there's a perch. I think it's a perch. It might be a bass. No, it's a perch. That one's not too bad. He's trying to pop his gills out on me. Tell him to give me a good old what for. Did you get one, Roost? Oh, got another one. we got a bluegill, Ruby. That's 3 species. Bluegill are so pretty. I'm grabbing him like he's a perch. I should have just... Oh, he got double hooked too.
I just caught one. We have to have it go.
Yeah. Pretty bluegill. Look at that. Look, Ruby.
You just catching my trap.
Oh, got one. Here, Ruby. You want to reel him in?
Yeah, let me reel this one.
Okay, well, I'll reel this one in. Let's see what I got here. Another bluegill. All right, now we're starting to catch some gillies. Calm down, Gilly. Oh, Gilly Bear. That's this guy's name, Gilly Bear. See? Yep.
Dad, don't cast over.
Am I taking all your fish?
Yes, you're taking all my fish. Hey, you're taking all my fish. I said don't cast over there. That's my spot.
Okay, sorry.
That's the other.
Got one.
Where's that rocket?
Got one.
See, I told you. Don't cast it.
That's my spot. There's a
That's
perch.
my spot.
Who says that's your spot?
Me?
These perch are mean.
I know. They're so mean they cut you in half.
Yeah. Bloop. All right, I'll go here. I'll go over here then.
Thank you.
You're welcome. After I caught all the fish.
I almost caught a fish.
Nope, got one. Little perch. Yeah, I'm slamming them. You want to trade fishing poles? All right, let me see what. All right, now your mouth's open because I got your gills compressed. I see how you work. All right, that's one hook. That's why I hate trebles. They're not worth the treble. Ooh, sorry, buddy. Oh, got one.
Oh, wait. Remember your promise?
I know, but that one was another one of these white perch. Man, these things are just
Loving
everywhere right now. Jeez Louise. If you press on their gills, their mouth opens up. And then you can get your little hook out and let them go. Okay, go ahead and cast. Well, think about 2 years.
mushroom.
Where?
Wait, come to my
Oh, I
spot.
see him. I see him. I don't think that's what we want though. Those are huge. Follow me closely now. Wow, those are massive. Pheasant back, huge. Wow. No, they taste like cucumbers. No, we didn't. Well, I do like cucumbers, but I don't like mushrooms that taste like cucumbers. There's a strange smell that I'm smelling right now. I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, it does smell like popcorn. Here, follow me. It's a weird smell. I don't know. I feel weird about it. Good eye, Ruby. You saw them. Oh, there's more pheasant backs. Right here. Huge pheasant backs. They are just sprouting up here.
I know, they sprout.
Huge. My goodness.
That one?
Yeah. Got a creek chub. They're so cute. You ever seen a creek chub? So cute. Little creek chub.
Go.
Oh, you got one.
Yeah, cut.
Big bluegill, girl.
Woo!
Perfect job, honey.
I get to hold it.
Okay, you get to hold it. Hold on, let me.
It's my fish.
I know it's your fish.
How about this is the deal?
Here you go. All right, look at me. Say I caught my bluegill.
Got my bluegill.
Let him go.
You smashed me.
Perfect job. Make another cast in that deep part. There goes ducks, mallard, and a girl. There you go. Never know. All right, let's keep going. Oh, snapping turtle on a log. See him? See him? Is he cool or what?
Cool. Wait, it looks like
It's so weird. Why is that log over? See how that log's shaking? I wonder why.
he's like waving.
Must be from the current. Yeah, it's from that current up. Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of.
You see him?
Yes.
All right. Okay, come on.
Maybe when they can't see him, maybe put like a little circle.
Yeah, we'll get closer to him and see if the camera can. Oh, there he is. He's laying down. Follow me close, Ruby. Remember, the turtle's cool, but we gotta watch for snakes. Yeah, he's alive. I think. Hey, yeah, he's alive. He's good. He's just hanging out.
Oh, we are watching.
Yeah, he's being weird a little bit, though. Okay. Well, that's cool. We've seen a lot of animals. Springtime is something special, I'm telling you. It's something special.